Barbecue fam, today we're doing up lamb breast on the pellet grill, the Z Grill 702F. Oh hell yeah, we're cooking at 250. Check this out. So to prepare your lamb breast, you want to score the membrane and score the top, the fat cap. You want to get that scored up so you can penetrate some of this rub that you're going to add in. I'm using herbaceous hen from Grillaholics. It's awesome stuff, and it's going to add a lot of flavor to this lamb. I found these awesome Harvest pellets that were on clearance, so why not? Goes perfect, and we are cooking at 250. Let's get these on the pellet smoker. For this lamb breast, we're going to be making up a glaze with some mint jelly and some Uncle Steve's, the sauce with no name. A little more mint jelly. I'm going 60-40 ratio. That is sweet. Thank goodness, this cut the sweet a lot. So after about 2.5 hours on the pellet grill, I flipped them over to try to straighten them out. They start to curl up on you, and they are looking super tender. After about 30 minutes flipped over on the fat cap, flip them back over, and then we're going to hit it with this glaze. Glaze it up at the last 15 minutes or so, let it tack up, and we're going to pull these lamb breasts. Time to pull out a knife. So I started using a knife roll, which I've had forever. I bought a long time ago. It's crap. Like, as soon as you slide a knife in, cuts holes through it. These canvas ones, not so good. Let's pull this lamb breast. Woo! Look at that. Oh, yeah. These things are darn near falling apart. So we've got the lamb breast on the board. Let it rest for 10 minutes or so, and then we're going to cut these ribs in half. Let's dive in. Alright, checking this guy out. That looks fabulous. Ho, ho, ho. Let's get into it. Oh hell yeah. Oh, that is so tender. So delicious. Wow. That is amazing, folks. You want an inexpensive cut of meat that's delicious? Bam, lamb breast. Go get yourself some. Oh hell yeah. This rocks. 12 bucks. About 3 hours later, this was done and amazing. Oh hell yeah. You guys gotta go try this one. Comment down below, what's your favorite cut of lamb? Oh hell yeah. Then we're gonna cut these ribs right in the... Then we're gonna cut these ribs individually. Yep. It's like shadow. Ah, I got this stupid stool in the